So they give you a ticket?
Yep.
What did they claim you did?
Failure to yield to oncoming traffic. I'm still trying to figure out how the front of the car got hit.
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? Man, this lady wrecked her car this morning. I'm pretty sure she didn't leave the house with the expectation of having a total car. Total. The airbags are deployed.
Great way to start my morning.
Yeah, what happened?
So I'm coming out here, and then they ran into me.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
She went to pull out in the traffic, man, and I don't think she cleared the intersection in the road before she pulled out.
But, I don't even know how this works because I've never been in an accident like this.
I advise the lady to go ahead and take the car back to her house. Honestly, the best thing to do is probably to tow it home until you can figure out a body shop to take it to.
Really?
You absolutely need to schedule an appointment with a body shop before you pull up. Yeah, because most of the body shops are really backed up and busy. So if we pull into a body shop and they don't have any room or space for it, they'll deny the car.
Oh, okay. So tow it home, and then from home I'm gonna have to tow it.
Call your insurance, set up with them on everything. They're gonna give you a list of body shops to go to. And then from there, then yeah, you can call us back and we can tow it to wherever it is that you want it to go to. Let me move my truck out of the road over here, and then we can go from there. I'm gonna back my truck between you guys right here to get it out of the road. Yeah. Okay, the 2022 Honda Accord, man, it was super clean. You can tell she took care of it. Man, if she would have waited like 1 or 2 seconds more, she probably could have avoided that collision. Shit, in order for me to even tow it, I had to throw a ratchet strap on that shit just to keep it in place. Appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, subscribe. You know I appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one.